Mr. Marcos, ang dami kong tanong. I hope you listen. What's going on with our country right now, Mr. President? Corruption scandals. Wow. Grabe. And even right now, Congress, hindi na nahiya. Gawa pa rin ang gawa ng mga allocables dito, allocables dyan. Peso is at an all-time low. GDP below 4%. Stock market is below even pandemic levels. Economic growth, according to the World Bank, is down. Baka sa 2026 daw aakyat ng konti. Maybe. BSP says investment slump in this year to come. Tapos, what is Congress doing? Allocable dito, allocable dyan. You're the president, Mr. Marcos. You can handle these people or di mo kaya? Wala kang biyag. You can tell these people, pati pinsan mo noon, ano sinabi ni Congressman Toby? You told your cousin Romualdez and yung cohort niya na si Saldico to stop stealing. Ano your exact words ba? Ilang bang bahay sa Forbes gusto nyo? Ilang bang aeroplano at helicopter gusto nyo? Gaano ba karaming caviar ang kaya nyong kainin? Etc. etc. So meaning, alam mo, you know, or baka kasali ka. Sinabihan mo na eh. And still, they didn't do anything. So ano ka? You're a puppet? Sa Bisaya pa, taw-taw ka sa kahumayan, Mr. Marcos? Mabuang minimo. Wow, crime rate. Press release yung PNP. Nothing against the policemen. They're working hard. Pero yung mga peace and order, mas mataas pa kaysa panahon ni PRRD. Oh, that's a lot of crap. Tapos, kung may mag-complain regarding corruption or how people are handling the people's money, how government is going down the drain, yan yung kakasuhan nyo. Akyat ka agad yung mga attack dogs mo. Ina-complain yung isang general, anong ginawa nyo? Yung army colonel, anong ginawa nyo? How many people? Si Diskaya was about to sing. Pinigilan nyo sa mga tutak mo sa Senado. Baka kasali dito. Oh my God. Puro ka pangako, Mr. President, and all you give us is lies. 22,000 classrooms. 22 lang natapos. 5,500 flood control projects. Nalulod na kami dito sa Cebu. And while we were dying here, may mga tao pa dyan, hindi pa nahukay under the mud. Anong ginawa ng ICI? Invisible Commission on Infrastructure? Nandun sa Davao. Dito kami, namamatay kami dito tapos yung investigasyon nasa Davao. What kind of... Hindi mo ba napansin, Mr. Marcos, that the people now hate you? 90%, according to the surveys, are not happy. Ayaw lang siguro sabihin, naggalit sila kasi wala nakasulat sa survey. Nagalit ba kayo kay Mr. Marcos? Kami galit na kami. And all you've been feeding us are lies, deceptions, cover-ups. Mr. Marcos, if you cannot handle this government and stop these rabid dogs from eating up our country, then you need to step down. Because from all the lies, deceptions you have given us, Mr. Marcos, you can't handle the truth. God save the Philippines.